So we're going to solve a word problem, and it's called a 3x3 system of linear equations because there's 3 equations and 3 unknowns. So we're going to need to write our equations basically by just kind of read in and see what we have here. Let's call Kiko K, Sam is going to be S, and John is J. So they sent a total of 123 text messages over their cell phones during the week. So we're going to do K plus S plus J. This is how many cell phone text messages they sent. If we add them all up, we'll get 123. Sam sent 9 more than Kiko. So we'll do Sam equals Kiko's number plus 9. John sent 4 times as many messages as Sam. How many messages did they each send? So if we can write things in terms of, let's say, S. So J is 4 times S. So S is K plus 9. Never mind, let's write it in terms of J. So S is K plus 9. So we have 4 times S is equal to 4K plus 36. And that equals J. Oh, so wait a minute. So we have J. So K is K. How about this? We'll do K. S is K plus 9. So we'll just plug in K plus 9. And then J is 4K plus 36. And that equals our 123. So let's add like terms. So we have K plus 4K is 6K. 9 plus 36 is 45, and that equals 123. So we're subtracting 45. And we get 6K equals 78. Wait, is that right? 13, 11. Yeah, then we divide by 6. And K equals 6 goes into 7 one time, with 1, 13. So we know that K is 13. So we'll go ahead and type that in. And then to find out Sam, we're going to add 9 to 13. So that's 22. And then to find John's, we times 22 by 4, which is 88. Okie doke. You know what? Let's just do one more. I like doing 2. Okay. So over the last 3 evenings, Amy received a total of 102 phone calls at the call center. The first evening, she received 6 fewer calls than the second evening. We better call first evening A, maybe the second evening B, and the third evening C. So a total call, so A plus B plus C has to equal 102. On the first evening, she received 6 fewer calls than the second evening. And the third evening, she received 2 times as many calls as the first evening. So how many phone calls did she receive each evening? Okay, so we're going to go ahead. We know that C is 2A. So C is 2 times B minus 6, which is 2B minus 12. So we have A. We're going to rewrite this as A is B minus 6. B is just B, and C is 2B minus 12. And that has to equal 102. So we have B plus 2B is 4B, and minus 6 minus 12 is minus 18. And we're going to add 18 to both sides, and we get 120 equals 4B, divide by 4, and we get B equals 30. So we're going to go ahead and we'll type up here. B was the second evening. So that is going to be 30 calls. The first evening was the second minus 6, so that's going to be 24. And then the third evening was 2 times the first, which is 48. And that's the end of the lesson.